Hey guys, this is how to install Voyetra on 86 box, which is a DOS emulator, but also works for Windows. So the first thing you're going to check all the files that you have to download. I have added the links in the description of the video. So the first one is the 86 box file. So you can extract to your programs folder. I already have extracted. So now when I open it, it's going to show the the machine. Uh, how to call that? I forgot how to call that. But this is going to show first. Then you have to download the text file, the Voyetra 86 box settings text file. Then I'm going to copy all the information from the text file and go to the file, new machine, use existing configuration, and then I'm going to paste all the information from the text file. Then I can name it and just finish. So it's going to have all the information there. It's going to be a Socket 8 Intel Pentium Pro. So you don't have to change anything in here. Just go to the hard drives and add an existing hard drive. Then you have to locate the hard drive that you have already downloaded. So let me close this. So this is going to be the hard drive, the DOS.zip. You have to extract somewhere in your computer. I extracted to my D drive under 86 box hard drives. And I'm just going to add it from there. So it has added. So it's done. And now I'm going to go to sound, and I'm going to have the MIDI output and MIDI input. So for MIDI output, I'm going to use the Microsoft Wavetable Synth just for testing. And for the MIDI input, I'm going to set up my MIDI interface is Oxygen 25 from M Audio. Hit OK. And then I'm going to double click to start the machine. You can drag this to the top to make it larger, or you can go to Tools, Actual View, and use the full screen option. The first time you load, it's going to fail the CMOS checksum error. So you just hit delete to enter setup, then save and exit setup. Yes, enter. If you don't know how to deal with BIOS, you have to check how to deal with BIOS. It's still giving me a flop disk fail, so I'm going to hit delete again. I'm going to standard, and I'm going to disable the floppy disk, but I'm not using it. Just use page down and page up. Escape. Save and exit setup. Yes. Enter. And it's going to go again. And it is going to auto-load the Voyetra software, so you don't have to do anything else. I already set up the MS-DOS, and I did everything I could to free more memory for Voyetra. So if you have any other idea on how to free even more memory, let me know in the comments section. It takes a while to load Voyetra. I don't know why, but it just takes a while. And here we are on the Voyetra software. The first thing you're going to do is press Shift F9 and the plus on the keyboard. Then you can use and can also use the word channelize. Hit escape, and if you change to channel 10, it's going to be on the drums. And there it is. And to exit Voyetra from the mouse, to release the mouse, just press the middle button and it's going to exit and you can close it. Now, one thing that you can also do is install the loop media setup. This is going to allow you to use the media out. Just install this. I'm not going to install because I already installed it. And then I go to my settings and on the MIDI output, I can use the MIDI loop. Just be sure that it's running. So it's running. Now I can use the MIDI loop. This MIDI input and this MIDI output. I don't know why it's out of order, but it is. So just select loop MIDI. And now if you load a DAW like Reaper, already set up Reaper. So it uses the loop MIDI. So let me check here. This is just a test I did. But so everything is set up in here. I can go to my preference and MIDI settings. MIDI inputs is what I'm looking for. So here we have loop MIDI. Loop MIDI port is already selected. So let me remove this audio. So I have to arm the input, and then I can use this. Let me delete this track. Insert new track. So I have selected the MIDI loop MIDI input. So now when I start my machine, let me add a synth there. So let me press add instruments. And I'm going to add analog lab. It's going to take a while. Okay, I have added the analog lab. So if I go to this Voyetra, now my MIDI output should be going to Reaper. It's 9. So there we go. So there you go. It's working. And it's working nicely. On the next video, I'm going to talk more about how to set up Reaper. But basically, you just do what I did there. And this theme, if you want to know about which theme I'm using, is called Imperial Theme. And I'm going to leave a link to the Imperial Theme as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching.